Hi viewers, I am Ashwati Adevan and I am a pharma researcher, and it's my pleasure to introduce our new initiative, a pharma-based YouTube channel, Pharma Discussion. And I am talking about why we created this channel. Pharmacy is a versatile, dynamic and growing profession that plays a vital role in healthcare setting. Pharmaceutical science is all about the development and formulation of the drugs for the prevention and treatment of disease. Nowadays, the emerging and re-emerging diseases are creating a continuous demand for new generation drugs and formulation. Even in this corona quarantine days, the whole world is looking towards the pharma sector as the scientists are racing to find a specific drug for COVID-19. So that is, pharma profession is completely recession-proof, and obviously it is an essential part in our healthcare system. So pharmacy is a rewarding career in terms of personal satisfaction, financial compensation, as well as the service to the people. But the question is it easy to become a pharma graduate with quality? So during a period of 2 to 6 years of varying courses such as D Pharm, B Pharm, Pharm D and M Pharm, the students, they all have to deal with the chemistry and biology as a whole, and furthermore they also study varying aspects of Ayurveda, anatomy and physiology, and all the details about drug information, or simply they're studying 16 to 19 subjects in their whole curriculum. So because of the structure and hard work it requires, pharmacy course is considered as one of the toughest courses in the world. So therefore, it is not as much as easy to become a pharma graduate. So after completion of this interdisciplinary as well as multidisciplinary pharma course, a pharma graduate can discover new drug molecules. They can perform preclinical as well as clinical evaluation of the drugs. They are involved in manufacturing, quality assurance and marketing, and they are dispensing quality medicine, and they promote a rational medicine use, and they can provide patient counseling, and even they are assisting the doctors for the proper selection of the therapy. Or simply, pharmacists, they are the medicine experts. But now the second question is, the curriculum is enough for creating a pharma professional with quality? Surely it is no. Our pharma profession is growing day by day. So in view of constantly expanding choices of medicine on the pharmaceutical market, we need to keep up to date with the informations and new development in our field to become the medicine experts. So therefore, updation is a very important task for pharmacists. And importantly, being able to rely on the best possible evidence for updation is a major procedure. So therefore, here, our channel, the Pharma Discussion, is planning to discuss the recent advances in pharma sector, and we will provide information on new drug approval and about the banned drugs, newly reported adverse drug reactions, drug interactions, and we are planning to add information about the competitive exams to get jobs in our nation as well as in abroad. And also we will add the crisp lectures on important topics in the pharma curriculum. Or simply, we are here to discuss about the pharmacy. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with one small step. So keep watching us, support and subscribe. Thank you all.